Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to share with you the trader's mindset from day one. So you should know what you're getting into, what mindset to have as a day trader. I'm going to share with you three things, but trading is a skill. It's not gambling. As people say, trading is a skill that can be learned. If you see somebody trading and making it work, then they have the skill of trading, right? So if they can do it, you can do it. I hear so many people having limiting beliefs around trading and gambling and gambling. Isn't trading, when people hear me say, oh, okay, when I tell people, what do you do for a living? I tell them, I trade. Okay, isn't trading gambling? That's the first thing that pops into their head. I'm like, I see where they're coming from, but trading is a skill that can be learned because if you can do it, somebody else can do it. Everybody can learn that skill of trading. Consistency beat big wins. I'm going to talk about consistency and how that's the key in trading. You don't need to have these large profits. You need to have these small, consistent wins over time. And last but not least, discipline is your real edge. Discipline is your real edge. And discipline is so important, and I'm going to share with you what it is. So, a professional athlete. We all have professional athletes maybe that we follow and that we enjoy watching, and some of us like basketball, football, or tennis, or golf. I don't know. But what does a professional athlete do? They read, they watch game tapes, they journal, they see their progress, they develop, they grow, they focus on what they eat, they focus on how they sleep, they focus on how they breathe, they focus on uh, their group of people. They focus on creating and building optimism inside their mind because they're handling losses over and over and over again. They're treating this profession as they do, soccer, tennis, golf, as a professional would. And when I hear people texting me and writing to me on social media, you can be profitable tomorrow by just changing your mindset, by just changing the way you see trading. Always ask yourself, what would a professional blank your name in trading do? What would Mustafa, a professional day trader, do in this scenario? When you enter a trade, when you see the charts and you're thinking, "Oh, I feel the FOMO, I feel the fear, I feel impatient in the market," just ask yourself, what would a professional day trader do in this scenario? What would put in the amount, what would a 25K a month day trader do in this scenario? Meaning your goal, and then act accordingly. Because that will change. This takes time, but that will change your habits and your behaviors over time. Trading is a skill. Like I said before, many compare trading to gambling because you can't really grab it, right? Everything is risky in life. If you buy a condo or an apartment building and you invest your money there, and maybe, that's a risk. You buy it, you fix it up, and there is nobody coming to rent the place because it's far away from the city, and yeah, I don't know. It's it's a week after that it gets flooded with water. That's a risk also. We don't know. Trading is the same way, but it requires learning and practice. It's a profession. You can't just enter trading and just hoping uh, to gain the skill overnight because we all have different levels of fear and greed and emotions that we need to work through to be a master at trading, master at the craft. And this is what successful traders do. They follow a structured approach. We use rules, we use strategies, we use risk management instead of guessing. We can't guess inside the market because you see me when I trade because I've been doing this for so long. Sometimes I enter trades without even like I just know because I've seen the pattern so many times. And sometimes even me, I need to stop myself. You know what? You're not following this. You're almost guessing right now. So step back, take a break. What are we doing? Do the checklist. Check it. So When you gamble, requires luck, and trading relies on discipline. Luck is gambling, trading equals discipline. So professional day traders, they understand that over a long period of time, they will be probable, and they see it in a long time horizon. Because if you have trades like that, let me show you an example. You take a trade right here, you win this trade. You take a trade right here, you win this trade. And then what happens? You lose one and you lose two. And you're thinking, oh man, do I have the skill of trading? And then you lose a third one. And this is where most people get out of rails. Instead, they beat themselves up. But what happens? They win another time, and the last one they lose. Now you're probably thinking, like this guy can't trade, right? Why? Because we have three uh, risk reward right here. So we risked one and we gained three. So three and 3, that's 6, and 3, that's 9 in total. That's 9% that you gain. And what did you risk here? You risk 1, 1, 1, and 1. So 9 minus 4, what does it give you? It gives you a 5% gain. That is what you count at the end of the month. Even if there are losses, as long as we are following our system, we don't get to these emotions right here and we focus on the wins at the end because we're thinking about it in a long-term horizon. We're not focused on just because I lost this trade, that is it, right? And the negative patterns in our mind started activating. I'm this, I'm this, I'm not good, I'm not. Stop it. Just take a break, watch on the long-term horizon. There's still 20 days, 20 trading days that you need to get through, right? That's the long-term horizon perspective, how you think. And it gets even clearer if you see it on a 1 year horizon or every 3 months, 3 months. You get a clear picture of your profit and loss in all these periods. Consistency beats big wins. I just explained to you the consistency that it beats big wins, and I'm gonna do it again. You know, let me just if you have the market right here, market is going this direction right here. What do most people want to do? They want to enter right here, right? And they want to take the entire run right here to get the 1,000 or the 100. This is not what we want to do. We want to have one big trade does not create long-term success. These trades doesn't happen very often. What happens very often is taking one single winning trade over and over and over again. We want to focus on taking these trades over and over and over again. We gain small wins, 10, 10, 10, 10, which builds up. It becomes a lot at the end. So those small consistent wins that I just showed you, those are the thing that builds your confidence in your skill. And the skill. It builds the skill and the confidence in your skill that you can go to the market and take out some wins. And over time, you will see that executions leads to steady improvement, like I wrote here. You improve yourself over and over and over again because those one to ones, those one to twos, you're risking one to gain one and then risking one to gain three. You will find a balance through that. You can't have it statically. Like I just when I enter the market, I just want a one to three. I'm going to risk one to gain three. It doesn't work. You have to have a plan and you have to see what the market is doing. So that's what professional day traders do. They focus not on the big win, because this is what I hear people say. Oh, it's news now. How can I capitalize on that? It's war and news. How can I capitalize on that? You don't capitalize. Does your plan fit the news and the wars? If it does, take the trade. If it doesn't, stay away from the market because it's too many emotions and too many new people entering the market, and it changes the market. So this is what I do. I judge my success based on following my plan, not my profit, because I know that at the end of the month, I don't even look at my profit, to be honest with you. I close down the window. I don't want to see the profits. I don't care. I want to see that I'm following the plan. Discipline is your real edge. You hear people talking about what's your edge, what's your edge in the market. A discipline is what you should have as an edge. There is an edge, you know, in your strategy, there's an edge in your psychology, and there's an edge in your discipline. Some people are more disciplined than other people, but discipline keeps you consistent because not every day we feel that strong and disciplined and we have that amazing willpower that we need in the market. It's not every day we have that, but we have the discipline to stick to the rules that we've set for ourselves. And if we follow the rules, it protects us from emotional decisions. Because the decisions, we can't rely on them, and we can't rely on motivation. Motivation is like taking a shower. Sometimes you feel good, sometimes you feel bad. You just listen to a song, or you drank your second cup of coffee, and your motivation is high. And this also made me think about the um, overconfidence. You know, when we win a trade, we feel good, we have that dopamine, and then we enter the market and we risk more, and we think we're on top of the world, and this is where we gets broken down because we didn't follow the discipline needed to follow the plan that we needed. So this is what separates amateurs from professionals. Discipline is what separates between these two. Successful traders execute their strategy the same way every time. That is so spot on. Successful traders execute their strategy the same way every time. It's just like a professional. It's just like a professional. It's just like a you have to treat this like a professional athlete is doing it. They are respecting the risk. They are respecting the plan. They are avoiding unnecessary decision making in the market, and they're executing their plan over and over and over again, and they show up for themselves. Because if you're not going to show up for yourself in this trading endeavor, who's going to do it for you? So this is what discipline is about in trading. Discipline is very important. So let's recap. In this lesson, I talked about three important ideas: that trading is a skill, it's not gambling. Consistency matters more than one big win. Consistency, small consistent win over time is more important than the big win that we want. And discipline is your real edge as a trader. This is what separates you from separates the beginners from professional day traders. And if you learn something from this lesson, please feel free to take a couple of seconds just to think about what did I learn in this lesson today that's gonna stick with me. And if you write it down, it sticks with you even more. So just take one sentence and share it below in the comment section below. As always, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and if you haven't done it already, join the school community. On YouTube, I share perspectives and ideas all regarding trading, and there are videos there that are not equipped or fit to just be inside a course. So feel free to follow me on YouTube and on Instagram, and I talk to you inside the community. See you on the next video. Have a good day.